We're going to take Dreamboat from travel mode, where he's all packed down on the floor, and empty him out, and then that way we can get him back into work mode. Woo!
Before you do that, come with me. I got you a present.
No, you did not.
No, I did.
Andrew, if you got me toilet cleaner, I'm going to have words with you. You did get me a present.
From Camping World.
Yeah. Can we put it on?
Mm-hmm.
Ooh, maybe not. Yeah.
Hope it fits.
Oh, thank you.
It's really grippy on the tire, isn't it?
I like it. I gotta square it up. Big line all lined up.
Getting there. Getting there.
Look at that. He looks great. Home is where you park it. That's awesome, Andrew. It's so cheerful. I love it. Oh, baby, thank you. It looks so good.
All right. I set something on the ground to set the camera on to film, and immediately there's a tick trying to climb up the thing I set on the ground. They are absolutely everywhere, and they're on everything. This one came off of Shauna. They're just literally everywhere, just crawling with it.
Kill it.
You got a tick?
God, there's another one.
Oh, he's biting. Get him, get him.
They're absolutely everywhere.
Ugh.
Well, this stud is too tall, and I think I'm gonna cut it right down even with the top of the wing nut. It'll probably be exactly an inch cut off, if I'm reading it right, but I just wanted to lower this and see. It's just about an inch, so I think lowering that stud an inch will do exactly what we need it to do. That was relatively quick and easy. I'm just gonna grab the file to make sure that the threads don't have any burrs of metal in them, and we're good to go. I think it's started good. I'm gonna put the cut end going down so that the fresh new threads are on the top side with the wing nut, because that's the side we're much more likely to keep taking off. All right, moment of truth. Does it latch? All right, that should be quieter and less fumes when we're running on the highway. All right, now just gonna hold this up into place, put one rivet in the middle, and then hopefully I can do whatever I need to do to align the ends. Put the end ones in, everything else should line up. Looks like job is back. Hopefully I can do the corners, and then everything will be in line. There is a riding lawnmower. It's not back yet. Apparently there's a part on order. Last thing I was going to do with this is just put some screws back to hold it up. I do wish it had a latching system rather than screws, but it is what it is for now. Really only needs a couple to hold it. Got this water intrusion spot here, and short of replacing very expensive, possibly impossible to find metal, just wondering about just doing a cute little patch. So it's one of my projects when I can find the time. And just a cute way to kind of deal with this. I think it's an old CB radio location, and maybe it had different mirrors at one point. It's hard to know. I'm not exactly sure what all these holes used to do.